Hello students, in this video we are going to solve cube root of 35 plus x plus cube root of 26 minus x. This is equals to 1 and here we will find out the value of x. Here we will apply substitution method. Now if we put cube root of 35 plus x, this is equals to a, and cube root of 26 minus x, this is equals to b, then the given expression is, this expression is a and this expression is b, then we can say a plus b, this is equals to 1. A plus b, this is equals to 1. And here if we take cube both side, then in left hand side cube root of 35 plus x, this is equals to a, and in left hand side taking cube and in right hand side cube, then this cube root and this cube is cancel out, then 35 plus x, this is equals to a power 3. And here if we take cube both side, then in left hand side we have cube root of 26 minus x bracket power 3, and this is equals to b power 3. Then this cube is cancelled out by this cube root, then here 26 minus x, this is equals to b cube. Let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we add both the equations, then in left hand side 35 plus x plus 26 minus x, and this is equals to a cube plus b cube. Then here this plus x and this minus x is cancel out. 35 plus 26 is 61, this is equals to a cube plus b cube. Now we have a plus b, this is equals to 1, and a cube plus b cube, this is equals to 61. And we know that the algebraic identity of a plus b bracket power 3, this is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3 times ab is multiplied by a plus b. And we know that value of a plus b is 1, so this a plus b is replaced by 1. Then in left hand side 1 power 3, this is equals to a cube plus b cube is replaced by 61, then here 61 plus 3 times ab, and this a plus b is replaced by 1, so here 1. Then 1 cube, that is 1, this is equals to 61 plus 3 times ab. If we take this 61 in left hand side, then 1 minus 61, this is equals to 3 times ab, and 1 minus 61, that is minus 60, this is equals to 3 times ab. Here minus 60, this is equals to 3 times ab. Now divide both side 3, then in left hand side this 60 is divided by 3, then we get minus 20, and this is equals to this 3 and this 3 is cancel out, then a times b. A plus b, this is equals to 1, and a times b, this is equals to minus 20. Now this b is equals to 1 minus a, and this b is replaced by 1 minus a, then here 1 minus a, this is equals to minus 20, and this a is multiplied by 1, then we get a, and this a is multiplied by negative a, then minus a square, this is equals to minus 20. If we take all the expression in same side, then you will get a square minus a minus 20, and this is equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, a square minus a minus 20, this is equals to 0. By using middle term split, we will find out the value of a. Then a square, this negative a is same as minus 5 times a plus 4 times a minus 20, and this is equals to 0. Now look carefully, a square minus 5 times a Here if we take common a, then a square is divided by a, then we get a, and minus 5 times a is divided by a, then we get minus 5. And here look carefully, if we take common 4 and 4 times a is divided by 4, then we get a, and minus 20 is divided by 4, then we get minus 5, and this is equals to 0. Here a minus 5 is common. If we take a minus 5 is common, then a plus 4, this is equals to 0. We have product of a minus 5 and a plus 4 is 0. We know that if a times b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. If we apply this rule, then a minus 1, this is equals to 0, a plus 4, this is equals to 0. Then value of a is plus 5 and here value of a is minus 4. And here a is cube root of 35 plus x. So this a is replaced by cube root of 35 plus x, and this is equals to 5. And here this a is replaced by cube root of 35 plus x, and this is equals to negative 4. If we take cube both side, then in left hand side this cube and this cube root is cancel out, then 35 plus x, this is equals to 5 power 3, that is 125. Then value of x is 125 minus 35 and x is 90. And here if we take power 3 both side, then in left hand side this cube and this cube root is cancel out, then 35 plus x, this is equals to minus 4 cube, that is minus 64. Then value of x is minus 64 minus 35 and x is equals to minus 99. We have two possible values of x. First value of x is 90 and second value of x is minus 99. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.